Good evening. Welcome to the English PK. How many people are in your party?
Good evening. It's just me tonight.
Very well. Would you like a table by the window or closer to the center?
By the window, please. I like natural light.
Excellent choice. Here's your menu. Can I get you started with something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of sparkling water, please.
Certainly. Sparkling water it is. Are you ready to order your food, or do you need a few minutes?
I think I'm ready. Could you tell me what the soup of the day is?
Of course. Today we have a creamy tomato basil soup. It's served with fresh bread.
That sounds lovely. I'll have the soup to start.
Excellent. And for your main course?
What do you recommend for someone who likes something light but filling?
Our grilled chicken salad is very popular. It has fresh greens, cherry tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette.
That sounds perfect. I'll have the grilled chicken salad.
Wonderful choice. Would you like any sides with that?
Yes, could I add a small portion of garlic bread, please?
Certainly. And how would you like your chicken cooked?
Medium, please.
Very well. Would you like to add a dessert or coffee after your meal?
Maybe later. I'll decide after the main course.
No problem at all. I'll be back with your sparkling water and soup shortly.
Thank you very much.
Here's your sparkling water and your tomato basil soup. Enjoy.
Thank you. It smells delicious.
How was your soup? Did you enjoy it?
It was wonderful, very fresh and flavorful.
I'm glad to hear that. I'll bring your grilled chicken salad and garlic bread right away.
Thank you.
Here's your grilled chicken salad and garlic bread. Is everything cooked to your liking?
Yes, everything looks perfect. Thank you.
How was your meal? Did you enjoy everything?
It was amazing. I really liked the salad, and the garlic bread was perfect.
I'm delighted. Would you like to see the dessert menu, or shall I bring the bill?
I think I'll have a dessert. What do you recommend?
Our chocolate lava cake is very popular, or we also have a classic cheesecake.
I'll try the chocolate lava cake, please.
Here's your chocolate lava cake. Would you like some coffee or tea with it?
Yes, a cup of black coffee would be great.
Perfect. I'll be back with your coffee. Enjoy your dessert.
Thank you so much.
I hope you enjoyed the dessert. Can I bring you anything else?
No, that's all for today. Could I have the bill, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. We hope to see you again soon. Have a lovely evening.
I definitely will. Thank you.